Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Vincent Marti Aguila of PSLT1 and I'm with the group Flashcast and this is sample one, which is my part in the code, the display of the different products of Flashcast trading code. So you can see in the screen that this part right here is my part, the display of the gaming mouse, keyboard, monitor, headphones, and hard drive. And this screen right here, which is icon Y or N. And the next part now is for the sample too.
Good day, everyone. My name is Lee Anderson Torno from Flashcast. This time, I will discuss and explain my part in our group's source code and program. Now, here's the first thing to note on my part in the program. The first thing to note is that we use the scanner to input the selected product code of the user. Now, with the code being inputted by the users or customers, here we utilize the if-else if statement to determine the price of the selected code through certain conditions. Now, once these certain conditions are fulfilled, we also use the scanner to determine the number of items the users or customers wanted to buy to get the total amount of the product code. So, in this part of the program, this basically means that we used and utilized the scanner to determine and identify the quantity of items or the number of items that the users or the customers desired to get the total amount of the product code. Now, moving forward, after calculating the total amount of the first transaction, the customers are prompted with a question if they would like to add another item to their transaction. Now, here they will have two choices if they would choose yes or no. Now, if they choose yes, they will be redirected to another selection asking for the product code, continuing their transaction. Now, in this case, this part of the program will loop up to 5 times. Now, if their transactions exceed to 5 purchase orders, a message will display saying out of products. This will trigger the end of the transaction and the program. But if they choose no, they will be redirected to the information order. Now, in this part of the program, it will be further discussed by the next presenter.
Good day to every each of you. My name is Luis Rafael Arcangales, a member of the group Flashcast. And today I will show you our sample output 3, the point of sale of Flashcast Trading Corp in our final case study. You can see on the screen, this is our sample output 1. So, purchase item, if you just press Y or type Y, then select code that you want, enter quantity, for example 2, and then add item. Then if you want to select code again, P003 for example, and then 3 quantities. And if you don't want to add item, just type N for no, and the output will come out in the order information. So P001 quantity 2, unit price is 1,000, so magiging 2,000 siya kasi dito sa taas quantity niya is 2, nilagay natin. Then same goes to P003, which is the curve monitor. So ang grand total niya is 17,000. So if you want to a new customer, you just type Y and then it will reset sa pinakaumpisa, parang sa unang customer lang. So select code that you want, P002, gaming mouse, enter quantity 2, and add item if you want. So yes muna. Then P005 for the hard drive, quantity is 1, and if you don't want to add an item, you should type N for no, and lalabas na po yung order information niya. So ito po yung in order natin, which is nakalagay dyan sa taas. Then if you don't want the new customer, then just type N. Then it will show, thank you for choosing Flashcast Trading Corp. So that's our sample output tree. Thank you for listening.